Did you know that artificial intelligence is already making decisions faster than humans in many areas, like healthcare and transportation? And that's just the beginning. Today I'm going to show you 7 amazing facts about AI that will change the way you see the future. Stay tuned until the end to discover how AI is even creating art and music. Let's start with the basics. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence manages to be so smart? The answer lies in machine learning. Scientists program machines to analyze huge amounts of data and identify patterns. For example, this is how Netflix knows exactly which shows to suggest to you. Or how Spotify puts together those playlists that seem tailor-made. Cool, right? But hold on, there's much more. Now, a controversial topic. Is artificial intelligence stealing jobs? Yes and no. On one hand, many repetitive tasks are being automated, like customer service with chatbots or inspections in factories. But on the other hand, new professions are emerging to create, train, and monitor these AIs. In other words, the market is changing, and those who adapt first will be one step ahead. If you think AI is only good for apps and machines, get ready to be surprised. In healthcare, AI is saving lives. It can already diagnose diseases with incredible accuracy, like cancer and Alzheimer's, long before symptoms appear. It is also helping surgeons with tools that increase accuracy in delicate procedures. Incredible, isn't it? This shows how technology is revolutionizing medicine. Would you have the courage to ride in a car that drives itself? Well, know that these vehicles are already a reality. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are leading the self-driving car revolution. They use artificial intelligence to see the environment, identify pedestrians, and avoid accidents. And the most curious thing, they learn with every mile driven. The idea is that, in the future, driving manually will become as rare as using a landline phone today. If you think creativity is exclusive to humans, get ready to change your mind. Artificial intelligence is already creating music, writing books, and even painting pictures that are sold for millions. A famous example is the work Edmund de Bellamy, created by an AI and auctioned for over $400,000. And it's not just in the arts. Even movie scripts are being written with the help of machines. But it's not all sunshine and roses. Artificial intelligence also presents risks, such as the use of deepfakes to spread misinformation. These are fake videos that look incredibly real, capable of fooling anyone. In addition, there is the debate about privacy. To what extent should we allow machines to collect data about us? Therefore, experts warn that it is crucial to create clear rules to prevent abuse. And what can we expect from artificial intelligence in the future? Many experts believe that in a few years, we will have even smarter virtual assistants and robots that can interact like humans. Imagine a world where you have a robot helping with household chores, or where medicine is 100% personalized to your DNA. It sounds like something out of a movie, but it's closer than you think. These were the 7 most impressive facts about artificial intelligence. Which one surprised you the most? Comment below and share it with that friend who loves to hear about these new developments. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.